Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to change the pitch of your voice in Audacity. So here I have a recording of my voice and let's hear it before we change the pitch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing that you need to do is select a part of the audio recording that you need to change. So I will select this part and I will go up here to Effects. I will click on Effects, then go to Change Pitch. And here are the pitch settings. So you can mess around with this, but I would recommend not to go above 5 basis points for pitch change, that being in positive or negative direction. So these are the default settings that I have, and I will press OK. And now let's hear it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So as you can see, it's a bit deeper, but if you want some major changes, you can just mess around with the numbers in the pitch tab a bit. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.